Hi, my name is Sean Hamilton. In this video, I'm going to show you how Synapse XT can cure tinnitus and give you your sanity back. Exactly what is going to happen. In a moment I'm going to show you how Synapse XT can cure tinnitus and give you your sanity back without having to get surgery or hearing aids and get instant relief. Hearing can be damaged by a lot of reasons. One of the most obvious reasons is the noise pollution that is increasing day by day. Not only it harms animals, but it also makes the hearing of a person to be depleted. This mainly occurs with infants, kids, and senior citizens. The lack of connectivity between the cochlea and the brain can result in impartial hearing and many other hearing problems. Then the lack of nutrients in the diet of a person can also lead to improper neurotransmission, which is very harmful to people. Hearing problems are increasing day by day, and problems like tinnitus result in depletion in the cognitive health of the person too. These problems also lead to an increase in the amount of stress and anxiety, which is too dangerous for the body. And the Synapse XT gives you the solution of it, which is 100% safe and made of natural ingredients. Hearing aids are available in the market at present, but wearing them all the time hurts ears and also causes a lot of embarrassment among the users. It is primarily needed that people try and find the perfect cure to all the hearing problems and get better cognitive health too. Trying and finding out the perfect and healthy cure to all these issues is a task in itself too. Synapse XT happens to be one such product that can help people get proper hearing again. It is a product that not only helps to ensure good hearing ability and also improves the cognitive health of the body. Its usage results in the nourishment of the cochlea and proper blood flow through the brain and all of the body. It also helps in releasing the stress and anxiety that the users carry around and gives them peace of mind. It improves the neurotransmission by balancing the ionic concentration of the transmitters as the messages transferred between ears and brain are electrical impulses. It is a product that not just cures hearing problems but also the problems related to mental health. It makes the person attain proper focus and concentration too. Synapse XT makes sure that the body is getting perfect nutrition and has a perfect hearing ability. As the name suggests, the formula refines the synapse between the brain and the ear that sufficiently reduces the ringing and improves hearing. The connection between the brain and the ear includes the cilia hair in the inner ear that receives the sound waves and transmits them to the cochlea through the auditory nerve. These auditory signals are then transmitted to the auditory cortex in the brain that allows the person to interpret and decipher the sounds. The supplement, with all its natural goodness, enhances the cognitive activity and the auditory pathway so that the person can hear better, and that too without any constant ringing. Synapse XT brings together a powerful mix of herbs and ingredients that have been carefully studied and work in synergy to bring powerful health benefits to your brain and hearing. Support your hearing, memory and focus. Support the communication between your cells to minimize signs of brain fatigue. Support perception of senses and sounds. Transform your life with clear thinking and hearing. The supplement is thoughtfully crafted from a blend of natural ingredients that owns the ability to treat tinnitus without rendering any side effects. Various scams in the market turn a person skeptical towards the authentic products, and it takes them a hard time to make the right decision. To help them, here are a few reasons that would compel them to give the supplement at least one try. It is made up of all natural ingredients and contains no chemicals or synthetic compounds. The supplement is GMP certified. It can treat mild to severe tinnitus. The formula is made from thorough scientific research to deliver quality results in the promised time. The supplement is safe to use and has no side effects. Unlike other remedies, the supplement is convenient to use and is as simple as taking regular medicine. The 60 days money-back guarantee allows a person to get their full amount back without having to risk their money. Since the supplement is only available on the internet, there is a minimum chance of being scammed by local individuals. Here are some reviews from users. From Canada, James Clark: great price and great product. Reviewed in Canada on December 28, 2019. Verified purchase. I have been using this product for over a year. I have had ringing in my ears for many years. This product after about 2 weeks turned my sharp ringing to a low hum. It is now part of my daily regimen. Fast shipping times. And the price is better than in store. I will be ordering from here on out. Mary Ingle: I have not found anything better and have used it now for more than 2. Reviewed in the United States on December 10, 2017. Verified purchase. It took about 4 months for this product to start working, but it did substantially help. I have not found anything better and have used it now for more than 2 years. It made a difference for me. Susan D'Olivera: 5 stars. Reviewed in Canada on July 21, 2014. Verified purchase. Bought the product for my sister. She says there is a noticeable difference. The constant ringing has lessened. Check the bit.ly link to check out Synapse XT for yourself. The bit.ly in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.